everyone, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Little Sister. Of course, made famous by the king of rock and roll himself, Elvis Presley. Elvis didn't, however, write the song. The two writers that take credit for the song are, and I hope I get this right, Doc Pomus and another gentleman named Mort Schumann. Released in the summer of 1961, it reached number 5 on the Billboard Top 100. Let's take a few minutes now to look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, so just a bit of a disclaimer before we take you through the chords of this song. Like I do with a lot of the covers that I perform, I try to strip them down so they're both easy to play and sing along with at the same time. This particular version of this song is no different. I found a way to play this all the way through with just 3 chords. Really turns out nice. One of the common riffs that are in the song, I do try to incorporate into my version as well. That whole little sister, don't you? At any rate, let's go through the 3 chords that I use to do this song, and I'm sure you'll find them to be very, very easy to use. Anyway, first chord is an E major chord. Second, A major. And then I use an F sharp bar chord. Let's look again. E major, A major, an F sharp bar chord. All right, let's take a few minutes now and look at a bit of the strumming and the strumming technique to this great song. Okay, the strumming's pretty easy to do. Let's start with that opening riff that they do. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? There you have it. That's the strumming through the entire song using just those 3 chords. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to mic it up here. I'm going to have a little bit of a backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. We're going to go all the way through the song. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Tell me that it's nice and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Well, I dated your big sister. Took her to the show. Went for some candy. Along came Jim Dandy, and they snuck right out the door. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Tell me that it's nicer than you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Every time I see your sister, she's got somebody new. She's mean and she's evil like that little old bohemian. Guess I'll try my love with you. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Little sister, sister, don't you do what your big sister done. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Tell me that it's nice and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done. Well, I used to pull your pigtails, pinch your turned up nose, but you've been a-growing, and baby, it's been showing from your head down to your toes. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done. And there you have it, Little Sister, performed by Elvis Presley. Thanks for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Until the next time, keep playing.